everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video we are going to discuss deep learning roadmap. Okay, so I already make a separate video on data analysis roadmap and machine learning roadmap. So if you didn't watch that video, you can go and check it out, that video. Okay, so let's discuss about deep learning roadmap. Okay, so before starting with deep learning, the first step is to foundations of deep learning. You must need to learn the foundations of deep learning. Okay, so what are the foundations of deep learning? Okay, so which is first is mathematics. Okay, in which you should learn about linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics. And statistics were the must. Okay, so in maths you need to learn linear algebra, calculus, probability, statistics. Okay, and second is programming language. Okay, you should know programming language, either R, Python, any of the programming language in which you are comfortable. Okay, and learn basics of that language, libraries used for machine learning and deep learning. You should learn that libraries of particular language. Okay, Python or R, whatever you were comfortable with. Okay, and then third is data engineering. Okay, in which you need to learn data wrangling, data cleaning and data visualization. Okay, so these were the basic topics of data engineering which you should know. Okay, and in machine learning you should know about supervised learning, unsupervised learning. What are the different algorithms machine learning have. Okay, so before starting deep learning, this was the fundamental or foundation of deep learning. So you should know 4 topics before starting machine learning. First is mathematics, one programming language, data engineering, machine learning. Okay, these were the basic topics you should know before starting deep learning. Okay, next is, in our second step, you should know deep learning algorithms. Okay, so for starting deep learning you should know the deep learning algorithms. Some of them are artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, autoencoder generation. So these were the basic networks you should know. Okay, neural networks, basically these were the deep learning algorithms you should know if you are learning deep learning. Okay, and in our third step, there were, after completing your foundation, you learn about the algorithms. After that you should know about the deep learning frameworks, which is TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, which is MaxNet, Apache Spark. Okay, so these were the basic frameworks you should know if you are working on deep learning. Okay, and after completing the base, okay, now it's time to do some hands-on projects. Okay, so you can do image classification, natural language processing, time series forecasting, okay, anomaly detection, recommender systems. These kind of projects you can do. Okay, so this is just a general roadmap that you should follow if you are trying to learn deep learning. Okay, and you can also join some of the deep learning communities. Okay, read about the current projects. Okay, contribute on open source deep learning projects. Okay, attend workshops, so you will gain more knowledge about deep learning. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.